Solve for x, given the equation 2 over x minus 3 plus x over x squared minus 9 equals 4 over x plus 3. Let's first identify any restrictions. For this, we want to note that we can't divide by 0. So we need to make sure that our first denominator, x minus 3, is not 0. So if we solve this for x by adding 3 to both sides, we know that x can't equal 3. If you look at the next denominator, we've got x squared minus 9. We also can't have this being 0. So if we factor this up, the left-hand side is a difference of squares, which we can factor as x plus 3 times x minus 3. That can't equal 0. And now we can split this into two separate inequalities. This means that x plus 3, the first factor, can't be 0. And the second factor, x minus 3, can't be 0. Solving each of these for x, we know that x can't equal negative 3, and x can't equal 3. Now, we've already said x can't equal 3, so this one is not new information, but this one is. Let's look at our last denominator. We also need to make sure that it is not 0. So if we subtract 3 from both sides, we get that x can't equal negative 3. So if you look at these four restrictions together, there are really only two of them because we have some repeats. So we know that x can't equal 3. That takes care of this restriction and this one. And we know that x can't equal negative 3. That takes care of this restriction and this one. So those are our two restrictions, x can't equal 3 or negative 3. With that out of the way, let's now solve the equation. We look at our denominators, and any that can be factored, we need to factor first. So this one, x squared minus 9, we're going to factor that up. And I'm going to use the fact that we've already factored this, so we can rewrite this as 2 over x minus 3 plus x over x